Hey everybody, Chris here back with another Proto Tech Tip, and for this week, we're going to explore the importance of considering the environmental conditions in which your custom electronic enclosures will be used in. And I'm going to offer some tips on how to effectively approach this, ensuring that your final manufactured design is suitable for its intended environment. So let's get into it. So when you're designing and building custom enclosures, it's crucial to ensure that the final manufactured product is going to be durable and will adapt to its intended environment. This approach prevents the need for any reworks or replacements, thereby avoiding latencies and any additional costs. At Protocase, we bring your parts, panels, and enclosures to life in just 2 to 3 days, all while upholding the highest quality standards. However, building a durable custom electronics enclosure goes beyond just impeccable manufacturing. It's also about the smart choices you make during the design phase, including specific materials and finishes that can be more suitable for those specific environments. So let's dive into why designing custom electronics enclosures is a process that begins with a deep understanding of the environment that they're going to be operating in. So for enclosures that will be exposed to moisture or completely submerged, waterproofing becomes a top priority to prevent any water that could damage the internal components. Similarly, in hot climates or applications where the enclosure will house heat-generating electronics, effective thermal management becomes crucial. This might involve the integration of vents, fans, or even advanced cooling systems to dissipate that heat and maintain optimal operating temperatures. And in environments where dust or sand is prevalent, ensuring the enclosure is resistant to dust is essential. This involves designing seals and filters that can prevent dust particles from accumulating inside the enclosure, thereby ensuring its longevity and reliability. Now, each of these considerations is crucial for the successful design and functionality of the custom enclosure, tailored to meet the specific demands of the specific environment. So next up, I want to concentrate on the material considerations that you need to be mindful of for the various environmental conditions. For instance, aluminum alloys, particularly 2024 and 6061, are renowned for their exceptional corrosion resistance, making them perfectly suited for use in marine or coastal applications where the material is constantly exposed to moisture and salt. Stainless steel, on the other hand, has a remarkable strength and durability, thereby making it an excellent choice for environments that are prone to harsh chemicals or extreme temperatures, providing a solution in those demanding conditions. Then you have galvanneal, which exhibits superior resistance to moisture, making it an ideal option for outdoor enclosures that require protection against the elements. Powder-coated galvanneal is significantly more durable in wet environments compared to cold-rolled steel, but it's not as durable as, say, stainless steel or aluminum. Moving on, copper is particularly favored for its superior thermal and electrical conductivity, qualities that make it the material of choice for enclosures that require efficient heat dissipation and electrical conductivity. This makes copper invaluable in industries where preventing overheating in devices is critical. Meanwhile, plastics such as acrylic and acetal provide excellent insulation properties. These materials are particularly suited for environments where electrical non-conductivity is crucial, offering a safeguard against electrical hazards and contributing to the overall safety of electrical applications. So with all of that information, take a look at this high-level summary chart of what we just discussed here today. You can see that depending on the external environment for your custom enclosure, there are certain combinations of materials and finishes that are going to be more recommended than others. Now, I also want to remind you that your account manager is always available to discuss your project needs. They're here to assist you with any questions that you may have, ensuring that you receive the support that you require and you're educated to make those important design decisions. You can count on our account managers and our internal engineering and design services teams to go to that extra mile to deliver your custom enclosure precisely to your specifications and also make sure it's suited for its intended environment. And with that, we conclude this week's Proto Tech Tip. We hope you found this information useful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more future content. Until next time, take care.